Myself Anushka Badoni. I studied in class 10 from Himalayan English School. My topic is millets, a superfood or a diet fad. First of all, I take an opportunity to congratulate you all as we are celebrating International Year of Millets 2023. This week is also celebrated as National Nutrition Week of 2023. Come to the next slide. So, first of all, we should know about what are millets. Basically, millets are coarse grains with a high nutritional value. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fibers. They are also known as nutricerial as well. We all know the meaning of superfood, but the question is, what is a diet fad? A diet popular for a time that often promises unreasonably fast weight loss or health improvements can be named as diet fad. So please come to the next slide. Types of millets. Basically, in Hindi, we also known as millets as Shriyan. There are 10 types of millets in our surroundings. Some of these are pearl millet. The common name of the pearl millet is bajra. Sorghum millet. The sorghum millet is known as jowar. Kodo millet. Kodo millet is kodo, which is commonly found in Uttarakhand. Barnyard millet. Barnyard millet is known as jhagora. It is very popular in our Uttarakhand. So, sir, please come to the next slide. Historical significance of millets. Earliest evidence shows that millets are also found in Indus Valley civilization around 3000 BC, 3000 years before Christ and 2300 years from now. So we can say that millets are 5300 years old from now. The various species called millets were mostly found in East Asia, South Asia, East Africa and West Africa. So come to the next slide. Comparison between rice, wheat and millet. Millets require less time to grow. It requires approximately 70 to 100 days to grow. Whereas wheat and rice requires 120 to 150 days of time to grow. Millets require less water. It requires 350 to 500 mm of water, whereas wheat, rice and millets require 600 to 1200 mm of water to grow. Millets can grow everywhere. Millets can grow in poor soil as well, whereas wheat, rice and paddy can grow in specific soil only. The major producer of millets are Rajasthan, UP, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Telangana and so many states. So we conclude that millets require less water, millets require less time to grow, can grow anywhere, millets are climate resilient. So come to the next slide. Chemical elements present in wheat, rice and millets. This data shows that millets require less time to grow. Millets are highly rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, phosphorus, calcium and zinc. Now come to the next slide. The production of millets at international level. This is the latest data of 2021 which shows that India is the largest producer of millets. It produces around 14,000 kilotons, whereas China produces around 2,000 to 4,000 kilotons. So we can say that India is the largest producer of millets. Now come to the next slide. Health benefits from millets. Millets are a good source of antioxidants, minerals and proteins. Minerals are full of fibrous diet. Minerals are full of nutrients. Millets are a good source of vitamins and minerals. It aids in sleep, helps in reducing weight loss, helps to reduce high blood pressure to low blood pressure. Now come to the next slide. Summaries of the quality of millets. Millets can use alternative of rice and wheat. Millets are climate resilient. Millets can grow in hot temperature as well. Millets can grow in poor soil as well. It fodder to growing up and biofuels. Now, come to the next slide. Millet is a superfood. But the question is, why millet is now important? Why we are discussing it now and today, when it was invented 5,300 years from now? Why it is important as on the date of 4th September 2022? So, because we all know the world population is increasing continuously and we have less land resources. So, to solve the problem of food security of India, more food is required per year, more fodder is required per year. So, food security, we can also solve the problem of food security as well. Now, come to the next slide. Multi-benefits from millets. India will move towards the way of sustainable development of zero hunger. New product in the market will give opportunities for new business development like this is the biscuit of finger millet.